Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your PS5 with Bluetooth pairing. So basically the first thing that we want to do is to just turn on the Bluetooth pairing mode for our Turtle Beach headset. You can do that by pressing the Bluetooth button and you will be able to confirm it if you see a flashing indicator. Basically, what this means is that your headset is now ready to pair with another device. Right after, open up the settings for your PS5, head over to Bluetooth and just simply connect it with your Turtle Beach headset. From there, we want to change the audio output from the original one onto our Turtle Beach. So it's going to be inside settings, sounds, we have audio output, and for the output device, just make sure that the USB headset or the Bluetooth headset is selected. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.